So hi everyone. So today's our topic is about operators, and we'll be seeing different kinds of operators in Python, which will be used in our programs. So we'll be learning arithmetic, assignment, comparison, and these all the operators, and these are the outcomes. And first, let us see arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are just basic mathematical operations, and there is addition is just plus, and you can just go through this. And the only new things which are here are this modulo and double asterisk and double slash. Okay, so let me just show you with that one. So operators.py. Let us just take x equal to 10 and y equal to 6. Okay, and x plus y, x minus y, and x star y and x slash y, you guys know, right? So let us just write addition. Let us just copy paste this, and let us just make it minus here. Slash y, star y. Subtraction, multiplication, division. Yes, addition 16, subtraction 4, multiplication 16, division we got here, right? And the other two things which are there are modulo, double asterisk, and slash. So in order to get the double asterisk properly, let us just take small numbers for the simplicity's sake. And double asterisk will nothing but give the power. Okay, x double asterisk y. Yeah, we went outside. X double asterisk y. Let's just close it, and let us just end our string here. Okay, so this colon and this, yes, perfect. Yes, power is 9. That is nothing but 3 power 2. What is 3 power 2? 9, right? So we got that. And next thing is modulo. Modulo is nothing but the remainder. Okay, the remainder, x mod y. Modulo equal to 1. That is nothing but, if we divide 3 with 2, what is the remainder? 1, right? So that's it. And if you want to print the integer part of the division, just put x double slash y. It will give the floor division. That is nothing but integer part of the division. What is 3 divided by 2? 1.5, right? What is the integer part of that one? 1. So this is as simple as that. And next is assignment operators. That is very simple. Double equal to, it will compare, and if x is double equal to y, that is nothing but we are comparing the two values, right? And not equal to, exclamatory symbol, and this is greater than, and this is less than, this is greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, right? And next thing is logical operators. Assignment we completed. Okay, we went to comparison, right? This is assignment. Assignment is nothing but assigning a value. For assigning a value, we put x equal to 5. And if you want to add something to x, and if you want to add x 3 to x, what you can do? X plus equal to 3. X plus equal to 3 is nothing but x equal to x plus 3. This is a short way. X plus equal to 3, and similarly for all the things, x minus equal to 3, x mod equal to 3. X mod equal to 3 is nothing but x equal to x mod 3. Okay, so this is assignment. We also completed the comparison operations, and we are left with logical operators. And logical operators is nothing but and, or not. So have you guys know the basics of and, or, and not, etc. and right? So you guys also studied gates, that is and gate, or gate, right? And is nothing but it will return true if both the statements are true. Okay, so for example, if x is less than 5 and x is less than 10, and let us assume that x equal to 1 is less than 5 and 1 is less than 10, right? Both are true, That's why it will return true. If both the statements are true, it will return true, or else it will return false. And if we take or, if either of the statement is true, then it will return true. Okay, not is nothing but if you put not to anything, if the result is false, not will return true. It will return the opposite of it. Okay, so this is logical operators and identify operators and membership operators. Membership operators and membership operators we have seen already in the different data types of lists, right? There is nothing but if the element is present in list, we use in, and we also use not into. Okay, so let us take an example. Membership.py. Let us just take 1 2 3 4 5. Print 2 in x. Let us see. It has written true. Why it has written true? Because 2 is already present in x. Now let us check for not in. 2 not in x. False, right? So 2 is in x. That's why it is false. If we remove 2 from here, now it will return true. Yes, got it. So this is membership operators. And let us also see identity operators. Identity operators are used to compare the objects. If they are not equal, then it will return false, or else it will return true. Is or not is. Returns true if both the variables are the same object. Okay. Let us see here itself. Let us take a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Print x is y. Sorry, we have taken a, right? A is b. Is it correct? No, it is not correct, right? So let us just make it 10. Now it is returning true. Okay, why it is returning true? Both are having same value. Okay, if we change it to 100, it will now return false. Yes, got it. So this is membership and identity operators. And the last thing is bitwise operators. Okay, so these are the, we don't use that much in our programs, these bitwise operators, but it is easy to learn. Okay, so and is nothing but it will give the, for example, if we take a number and if we and we should do the and operation with another number, what it will happen? And first it will convert the number into binary string and the second number also into binary string, and it will compute the total and value. What is the and value? I have told you in the previous slides also. If the given both the statements are true, then it will return true. That is nothing but if the both the statements are equal to 1, then the final output will also be 1, or else its output will be 0. Okay, so that is and the operators which we need to use is this one, and or XOR. Next not, then this is left shift and this is right shift. Okay, so this is the bitwise operators. And let us also do an example. Print a and b 100. Okay, so let us just take 5 4 5. Okay, so this is the and value of our, and next where is it? A and b 4. Okay, so this is the and value, and we can also check the or value, and now we can also check the XOR value. Okay, so these are the mathematical calculations which will be converted into binary strings first, and they will be converted into the final output, and finally they will give the answer in decimal format. Okay, so this is about operators, and I hope you guys understood. And if you guys have any kind of doubts, you can ping us at any time. Okay, that's it from my side, guys. Thank you for watching.